Today, I would be discussing a project, Tropical Weekend Home, which is across a plot area of 3,700 square feet, located right here in Wayanad, Kerala. My name is Architect Arun from Calicut. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with the detailed floor plans, photos, and fact file from buildify.com, and the link is mentioned in the description below. With its amazing climate and range of hills, it comes as no surprise that Wayanad in Kerala is truly fascinating for its landscapes. This house includes colonnaded verandas, courtyards, high ceilings, and breezy folding doors that cater perfectly to the humid tropical weather and the torrential downpour. Having this incredible plot, dramatic tree canopies, it's almost 10 acres as long as a football field. Around 3,700 square feet home is raised 5 feet off from the ground, and the structure is laterite stone, wood, and metal. So the idea when you approach the house is when you emerge through a small forest and you see a sloping roof, minimalist walls lightly on the landscape. The double heights and courtyards ease the cross ventilations. So several openings, doors and windows were added with clay roofing which helps to regulate the microclimate. The first experience you see is a series of wooden windows and sloping roof. Windows are openable so you can catch up with the sun during the day, which creates this beautiful indoor vibe. A handsome Kerala teak door adorns the entrance. The famous trunkless elephant sitting beyond the landscape is an antique. As you open the door, you enter to the main foyer. There is this long dummy wall which acts as a barrier. The furnitures are upcycled from a local Kerala craftsman. Ahead of it is a living room. A wooden divan along with a three-legged high stool sits opposite a durable carved wooden coffee table with brass details, and the perfectly seamless cement flooring completes the scene. We had paintings by remote village artists from Kerala accentuating the family living room. The central hallway of this home is anchored by an indoor tree growing towards the sky, creating a sense of space. The dining space is organized by a central kitchen, and this has got the direct access to the family living, forming an L-shaped dialogue. The dining area also overlooks the green landscape. Hanging clay pendants lights were designed by us and produced with the help of local clay makers in Kerala. The house has 3 bedrooms. All 3 are view-oriented, as you can see through the windows. Custom bedside table with decors and flowers helps soften the bedroom's sharp linearity in the master suite, with the bed is topped with linens from Zara Home and flanked by vintage nightstands. The other interesting part is actually the art pieces here. The chair, the cloth art and the burni, which were all sourced from different local places, adds in culture and extremely contextual to Kerala's design language. We worked with locally available natural stones, terracotta tiles that have been used for the roofing to reduce heat gain. Organic bee wax, local mixtures of lime, has been used to coat the interior walls and exterior wooden surfaces. We believe that we incorporated most of the elements, making this a tropical modern architecture, an idea being in the landscape. We hope you've enjoyed the tour and thank you for stopping by. In case you have any design queries, post them in the comment section below. I will be happy to respond them as much as possible.